Hey everyone, so welcome to my second talk on facts in mathematics. So those who have missed my first talk, for them I'll be posting a link in the description. They can see my first talk on mathematics. So here I am with my second talk on with some fun facts related to mathematics. So the first is related to Google, or you can say it's a lifeline in today's time, right? I mean, we cannot survive without Google. But do you know? I mean, the word Google, that was not the first choice, or actually, that was not at all a choice to be kept as a name for the search engine which their founders invented. I hope you know the founders of Google. Those who don't know, they can Google it. So, and don't forget to mention in the comment section the founders of Google. That's the first task in today's talk. Okay, so what they wanted to keep? They wanted to keep the name as Google. Now, what do you mean by Google? A Google is a mathematical term. It is nothing but 1 followed by 100 zeros. Or in the scientific notation, it is nothing but 10 to the power 100. So it's a huge number. And that's what they wanted to keep because it reflects the infinite amount of search on the internet. But due to the misspelling by their founders, Google became Google. So that's the fact behind the naming convention of Google. Okay, so that's one thing. The second homework is try to Google, or I mean, should not try, Google the founder of Google, who invented Google, and on the Wikipedia page you will find lots of interesting facts about Google, which are worth reading. Okay, so let's go to the second fact. The number of squares on the chessboard. I like this question a lot because whenever I see small kids or anyone who is playing chess, this is a random question I ask. Oh, how many squares are there? And it has happened many times. They just immediately say 64. But well, then when I give them a weird look like this, then they start thinking, and then they keep on changing their answers. So what are the how many squares are there? So if you observe, let's start counting from the bottom. There are 64 1 cross 1 square. So if you observe this A8, B8, C8, D8 up to 1H or H1. So these are all 8 cross 64 1 cross 1 square. Now if you see 2 cross 2 square like A8, B8, B7, A7. This is a 2 cross 2 square. Again B8, C8, C7, B7. This is again a 2 cross 2 square. Like this there are 49 squares, 2 cross 2 squares. Then there are 36, 3 cross 3, 25, 4 cross 4, 16, 5 cross 5, 9, 6 cross 6, 4, 7 cross 7, and finally 1, this big 8 cross 8 square. So these many are the number of squares on a chessboard. And when you sum it up, there is nothing but 204. So 204 are the number of squares on a chessboard. So this is related with the question which I discussed in the first talk. So in the first talk I said, if you take all these figures and if they all have the same area, then which among them will have the least perimeter? And the answer was circle, which I said. But then after seeing the video, one of the students, he messaged me and he asked me, sir, what can you say if I reverse the thing? So for that, here is the answer. I replied him, but then I thought it's worth sharing with everyone. So if you take among all the shapes with same perimeter, which has the largest area? So you have a square, parallelogram, circle, hexagon, triangle, pentagon. You take any of the shapes, then of same area, of same perimeter, then circle will be the one which will have the largest area. So again, a nice fact to know, but difficult to prove. So this is the third fact. Rubik's Cube, one of the famous toy which we like to play. But then you will be amazed to know that there are 43 quintillion ways to scramble a Rubik's Cube. You can scramble the Rubik's Cube in 43 quintillion ways. To be precise, this number of ways: 43, 252, 003, 274, 489, 856, 000. These are the number of ways you can scramble a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so once you scramble a Rubik's Cube, now I will start assembling it in a nice way. I mean, I will try to get all the same color on one side. But then, obviously, one can ask a natural question: the number of ways or the number of moves required to solve a Rubik's Cube. What are the maximum number are sufficient? I mean, you can do it in 100, 2000 ways, 4000 number of moves, 5000 number of moves. It's okay. But what are the sufficient number of moves required to arrange a Rubik's Cube? Well, there was a computer scientist named Tom Rockicki. In 2010, he went to Google Office. He, along with his team, he went to Google Office and they requested them to run the algorithm or the code on their computer, because the algorithm which they made, if they would have implemented on their regular computer, it would have taken decades to get the answer. But then Google agreed, and then the team ran their code on that Google's computer, and after several weeks they got the answer and they come up with this number. So 20 moves are sufficient to get back the original Rubik's Cube. Okay, out of, you take any of those 43 quintillion position, 20 are sufficient. Actually there are plenty for which even less than 20 are insufficient, but as the maximum, 20 is the best number for any position. So if you are taking more than 20, that means you are going somewhere wrong. So make sure you should be able to do it in less than 20 moves, or at most equal to 20 moves. So that's one thing. Well, I hope you also, if you are a Rubik's fan, then you should know the world record for the least number of time taken to solve the Rubik's Cube. If you don't know, Google it out and do share with me, because even I don't know the time. I think in seconds, 20 seconds, 25 seconds something. But okay, you also Google it out and tell me the answer in the comment section. Taxi cab number or Ramanujan Hardy number 1729. So Ramanujan, our Indian mathematician, Hardy, British mathematician. So when Ramanujan was in London, at that time, I think London or UK somewhere. So, and he was ill in Putney. So Hardy went to meet him, and when he arrived at his place, he said, "Here Ramanujan, today I came in a cab and the number of the cab was 1729, which I found very dull." To that, Ramanujan replied, "Hey, it's not a dull number, it's a very interesting number." Hardy asked why, and he said, "It's the smallest number that can be expressed as sum of two cubes in two different ways." Like if you see here, 1729 is 1 cube plus 12 cube. It is also 9 cube plus 10 cube, positive numbers, okay? And these are the two different ways you can express. And this is the smallest number. If you take any number less than 1729, positive I'm saying, then it won't be able to express as sum of two cubes in two different ways. So, and Hardy was shocked as well as happy to know this fact. So these were the 5 facts which I would like to discuss with you today. I hope you liked them. If yes, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and yes, do not forget to share. See ya.